Hello everyone, my name is Naveen. This is lecture about Linux. In this lecture, I will cover what is Linux, history about Linux, and how it will be differ from Windows. So, I will start what is Linux. Linux is an open source operating system. It is invented in 1991 as a personal project of Linus Torvalds. Linus Torvald is a Finnish graduate student. He submit this operating system as a college project. It is developed under GNU General Public License so that the source code for Linux is freely available to everyone. The various kernel versions are released day by day of Linux operating system. In 1994, the kernel version 1.0 was released, but today most recently stable version is 2.6.9. Now I start history about Linux. Linux is a free Unix type operating system. This is completely based on Unix operating system. Now I brief about Unix. Unix is a multi-user, multitasking, multi-processing operating system so that multiple user can run multiple tasks on in single interval of time. Unix operating system designed by Dennis Ritchie in 1969 in AT&T Bell Laboratories. This is totally based on C and C++. The main difference between Unix and Linux is Unix is supports only CLI mode. CLI stands for command line user interface. Linux supports CLI and GUI command line interface. GUI stands for graphical user interface and CLI stands for command line interface. Later on 1977 there were about 500 Unix cities in worldwide. In 1988 the Berkeley Software Development Company released operating system version BSD 4.1. In 1983, Sun Microsystem and Berkeley Software Development released their operating system. Released BSD 4.2 version and Sun Microsystem released Sun OS System 5 version. In 1988, AT&T Bell Laboratory and Sun Microsystem jointly developed a system. This is named by Unixware and Solaris 2. In 1991, Linux originated by Linus Torvalds. That's about history about Linux. Now I told you feature about Linux. Linux also is multi-user, multitasking, multiprocessing operating system. Multiple user can run multiple tasks on a single interval time. In Linux, each and every process having processing ID, so that easy to manage, so that it can be called as multiprocessing operating system. This is more reliable and no need to reboot system day by day. This is free of virus because it is working on ext format. There are various Linux distributor available in market, like Red Hat, Ubuntu, CentOS, Debian, Linux, SUSE Linux, Puppet Linux, Kali. They are most commonly used in server infrastructure, Red Hat, Ubuntu, CentOS, and Kali Linux used for network security purpose. And this is mainly used in information security department. Now I told you about difference between Linux and Windows. In Windows, this is copyright operating system. In Linux, this is open source operating system. In Windows, this is paid license based software. If you need to install any Windows in laptop, desktop and server, then I will pay for the license. But in case of Linux, this is free of cost. Windows is updated version of DOS. DOS stands for Disk Operating System. But Linux is the updated version of Unix. Windows developed from .NET framework, but in case of Linux, it is developed in C and C++. In case of Windows, it's ported .exe, .msi format, but in case of Linux, it's port only .rpm. RPM stands for Red Hat Package Manager. In Windows, there are various file systems: FAT, FAT32, FAT16, NTFS. But in Linux file system, there are ext2, ext3, ext4, XFS. ext2 is used in RHEL4, ext3 is used in RHEL5, ext4 is used in RHEL6, XFS used in RHEL7. In Windows, there are NTLDR bootloader as available, but in Linux there are various bootloader like LILO, GRUB grub, GRUB grub 2. LILO stands for Linux loader. This is used in RHEL4. GRUB grub stands for Grand Unified Bootloader. This is used in RHEL5 and RHEL6. GRUB2. This is used in RHEL7. It stands for Grand Unified Bootloader 2. This is all about Linux introduction. Thank you.